Here are some verbal descriptions of the event and their equivalent set theoretic notation. Means if we write not A, then it is equal A bar. It is not A. If we write A or B, it is also at least one of A and B, at least one of A or B, then this is given by A union B. If we write A and B, then it is equal A intersection B. If we write A but not B, A but not B, it means A but not B, it means B bar. B but not A, A, then it is equal B but not A, means not A intersection B. Fifth is, so 6 is neither A nor B, then it is equal A bar intersection B bar, neither A nor B. And seventh is at least one of A comma B or C. Similar to this, at least one of A or B, A union B, at least one of A, B or C, A union B union C. Eighth point is exactly one of A and B. One of A and B. Exactly one of A and B means A occur, then B does not occur, or means union. A does not occur, then B occur. It is equal exactly one of A and B. All three of A comma B comma C. Means all three of A, means it is equal A and B, A intersection B, then all three of A, B, C, it is A intersection B intersection C. Exactly two of A, B and C. Exactly two of A, B and C means exactly two. A and B occur, but C does not occur, or A occur, B does not occur, C occur, or A does not occur, B occur, and C occur. Exactly 2 of A, B and C means A, B occur, 2 event occur, C does not, A and C, B does not, B and C, A does not. 11th, exactly 1 of A, B and C. And C, then it is equal exactly 1 of A, B and C. A and B does not occur but C occur, or A and C does not occur but one event means B occur, or A occur but B and C does not occur. Exactly 1 of them means C occur, A and B not, B occur, A and C not, A occur, B and C not. And if A and B are mutually exclusive events, then A intersection B equal phi gives probability of A intersection B equal 0. We know that the formula probability of A union B is equal probability of A plus probability of B, A intersection B. Then since if A and B are mutually exclusive, then occurrence of at least A or B, A union B means at least one of A or B, is equal to the sum of their respective probabilities, because this term probability of intersection B is equal 0. If A and B are independent even, second, then probability of A union B is equal to 1 minus probability of A bar to probability of B bar.